Welcome to the JEOL 2100F sample loading tutorial. We'll start by turning off the beam if it's not already off. Press the protected beam button, you'll see the backlight turn off. Neutral the stage goniometer. Double click the black neutral stage button and wait for the stage to reach 0. Click OK after the stage reaches 0. Remove all the apertures. Start by removing the condenser aperture. Make sure the red dot lines up with the black dot, including on the selected area aperture down here. Use the left control panel to remove the objective aperture by pressing open. Now we can remove the sample holder. Grasp the holder and pull directly out until you reach a stop. Then rotate almost 90 degrees, then a smaller pull and a small rotation. Stop here and switch the switch from pump to air by pulling out and down. Wait for 25 seconds for the load lock to vent. Remove the holder the remainder of the way. Minimize bumping it as you remove it. Place the holder on the cradle. Grab your flat nose tweezers and sample removal tool. Engage the tool here and use it to pivot the clamp open. Use tweezers to lift the cartridge up and off the securing pin. Place the cartridge in the tip support piece. Use your flathead driver to partially undo the brass screws. Use your flat nose tweezers to pivot the brass piece to the side, exposing the sample recess. Use your sharp tweezers to grab a sample and place it in the recess. You may need to nudge your sample to get it into place. Pivot the locking piece back and ensure it's properly seated. Tighten the brass screws, but no more than a gentle finger tight. Use your flat nose tweezers to grab the sample cartridge. Pivot the clamp open and place the sample cartridge on the pin underneath. Close the clamp, then rotate to the side so you can inspect if it's properly seated. Before loading the sample holder, we'll need to inspect the O-rings. There will likely be some vacuum grease on the O-rings. We'll need to inspect this O-ring and this O-ring. Gently brush any fibers or debris off with a gloved finger. Now we can insert the sample holder. Line up this pin with this notch on the entryway. Keep the holder straight and initially only press in until you feel the holder reach a stop. Then switch from air to pump by pulling out and up. The orange LED should then come on. Now we'll need to wait for the load lock to pump down. Check that you have the correct holder selected. The load lock pressure gauge PIG4 can be found here. The pressure should begin to come down. After you see the green LED come on, wait an additional 15 minutes before loading the holder. Rotate the holder a small distance will go in, then rotate a further 90 degrees. The holder will pull away from you, gently guide it in all the way, then close the acoustic cover. Thanks for watching. It's TEM Tutorial.